Hey guys, Vivi-chan here. Hope you guys are doing well. So today we're going to continue with some more of Chainsaw Man and we're getting into episode 5? Yeah, 5. Holy smokes. Okay, we didn't see the thumbnail. Let's just get into it. Oh yeah, I forgot Hulu has the disclaimer. Okay, here we go. Are they real? Is this happening? Oh my god. This feels so wrong. Like, he notices. I knew it! I knew it! Because if you looked at the last episode, she was flat pads. But he still touched. Wait! I thought he already did. I feel so wrong for watching this. He is so disappointed. Oh my god. It feels like she's just laughing at his face. And he's just like, it's like my dream has been accomplished, but is it like it wasn't as fulfilling as he thought? Or is it like, he wanted bigger ones? Like they weren't real? Like, what is he feeling? Tell me about it. Oh, I can't wait for more characters to be introduced. I know we saw the one with the eye patch for like a brief moment last episode. I'd love to see them go bowling. I just went bowling last week. Pretty fun. Anyways, about Power-chan. I mean, she still got a little something there. It wasn't like it's completely flat. So, is he disappointed that, the dream ended so quickly, or it wasn't what he imagined? Hmm. Yeah, and I think Power-chan was pretty, like, I don't know, nice is like not enough. Like, she was so generous to let him like fondle a couple times. It wasn't because he did this and he did a little more. So I was like, oh, that's 3. But she's like, oh, that's 1. So I guess he did it twice and it was quick. But the third one, he was like, that's not it. It was like missing something. Oh my god, he's still awake. Tell me what you're feeling, bro. Was it that big of a disappointment? Imagine Naruto Hokage, everyday stamps. What's bothering you, Denji? Tell good old Makima-chan. San? Maybe he has like no will to live, like the dream has been fulfilled. I go after something. Ah. See, it's like you got the treasure, but the adventure was more fun. The dream of it. But it wasn't great. What if she just lets him touch hers? Maybe because it felt empty. He wants love. See, look, it's just a touch of the hands, but he already feels so much sensation. Oh my god, it's just hands, but it's so sexual. he Oh my god, he's like, this is an adult. This, oh my gosh. Oh my god, he's like, that was it. That was the feeling. Like, I think Power is just so immature and it was just so quick and so empty. But this has like that, I don't know, this has like a weight to it that it felt something. I've never seen like, a groping, a etchy scene so like it's quiet, it's so natural. It's not loud music or like funny or like nosebleed. The gun devil. Oh man, now he's got the drive back. His face is so innocent, he looks like a puppy. Oh, anything. Wow, she's willing to go that far to get what she needs done. I kind of feel bad for Aki because I know he likes her too. Yeah, Gunva. Oh my god, 9/11. Damn. Yeah. The country mouse and the city mouse. This Aki's backstory? The moment the little kid gets hurt, though, the parent's gonna blame everything on Big Brother. I'm not really sure if Aki is older or younger, but I feel like he's the older one. I like how quiet this anime is. It takes its time. But he wanted to play with the parents. Yeah. I see a little smile. He's having fun. Wow, look at that snow. Yeah, you guys should have brought some gloves. But I still want to play with Oni-chan. Yeah, I was like, yeah, you guys missing gloves. I feel like a devil is gonna come and something is gonna happen. You should walk. Oh, he's home? Okay. Okay, they're close to home. For some reason, I thought they walked into town. Holy shit! 1.2 million people were killed. The gun devil hasn't been seen since. It will lead them to the gun devil. Oh, so if the devil got a piece of it, they also gained some power. Hmm. If it was the real thing, there'll be a bigger reaction. Ah, they're so similar. Senpai. I mean, that's that's what you guys are. Oh my god, did they team up? Because before Aki and Denji were like, ugh, for power. That got I want a reward. Kiss. I thought she was gonna say, you get to grope me. A kiss? Denji's like, I've already gotten so close to that. Nah. Okay. Okay, wow. So much excitement in Denji's life. I think that part was the most. Yeah, I got something bigger to aim for. I know she's like maybe 10 years older than him, but I still think it's kind of cute. Who got each other. He gets the feeling now. Yeah, if you guys don't have a connection, it means nothing. He's like, wow, you're such a grown up, aren't you? Oh! I don't know if he's disgusted or shocked or what. you changed your mind so much. Well, I wouldn't say change your mind, but it's like more motivated. He looks so he's like a panting dog. Kobeni and Akai. One, I don't think the other two got powers, but you know they got a few skills to be able to get in. Wow, meeting at a grave site is so gloomy. My sixth partner. Wow, she's in front of her partner's grave. Hmm. She survived a few years, so. Well, Damn, that was too fast. There's gotta be more of the body. But Himeno, she did something with her hand and it like stopped midair. A ghost devil. Oh. I guess the other two got contracts as well. No strong reaction. This is not the one. Wow. Oh, nobody else can touch it. That is pretty convenient. You better not. I'm trying to get the kiss. They went in the circle? This guy's gonna get attacked. The blood. I'm like ready for that blood to jump. Yeah, they went up the stairs, but we're on 8 again. Are they in a time loop or... Hmm. I want to know. Okay, and then someone told me we're gonna have different endings each episode, which is absolutely insane to me to do this much endings for a series. That's exactly what it is. That I don't even know what it's called. Cute little pony. Oh, that's not cute. Nothing is normal. We got like a female centaur. Damn, she looks so cool right there. A headless dragon horse looking thing. Ooh, is this what they called a kirin? A ghost kind of horse? Devil? Who's that? It's not Denji, is it? Actually, it is. Because his hair's blonder than usual. No, that was it. Oh my gosh. How do I stop this? Okay, that was the episode. I really quite like how the episodes are very naturally produced. Like in terms of things get quiet. Like it feels like a natural setting. It feels like you're watching a drama or a movie, the way things unfold. And we start off the series, well, before all that, we start off the episode with Denji about to touch Pawa's chest, and this is everything he's waited for. This is his dream, his goal right there, and he gets a touch. Inside he's super excited, jittery, like hormones going off, excitement. This is like a tingling feeling. So he touches them and it's like something's not quite right. And he gives a couple more squeezes. And I like that Power was pretty generous enough to give him more than 1 squeeze. It feels more than 3 squeeze because she counts it as the moment you let go, that's 1. Because I definitely see him touch it and then like squeeze it a couple times and then let go. And she's like, that's 1. You know, she is so childish loud and it doesn't faze her. You know, it just feels like you won a simple game and it's not very satisfying. And like his disappointment is immeasurable. You could definitely see it on his face the whole time. He slept through the night. I don't know if he actually slept. Breakfast, and then he gets to Makima's office and he's just like stamping away paperwork. He's just like dead inside, like an emptiness. Like he reached his goal and it wasn't satisfying. It's like if Luffy went to find the One Piece and it was like, and it felt empty. Like, what? It was the journey more important? Was the chase more enjoyable than the actual treasure? Well, I don't know if that's definitely not a great analogy, but you know, that's just what I thought in my head because I compared like her chest to like a treasure, like something unobtainable. And and it didn't surprise me when we found out that her breasts were fake. She just had some pads or something underneath. At first, he probably was like, what the heck am I feeling? It's not as soft as I thought they would be. I don't know. Like, I'm just imagining myself as him. And then the moment she took it off and it's flat, even more disappointment. Because I think the first time he was just feeling around. The second time, it was quicker. And then the third time, he's like, let me try once again. And he's like, oh, that's what it is. Just sadness. And the moment Makima like seduced him, I don't know what you call it, but like it turned him on. Like that was what he was missing. Like, you know, there's no denying Makima is definitely beautiful, charming, charismatic. I don't know if those are words to describe a girl, but she's got this like irresistible, seductive voice and charm and calmness about her as compared to Power, who's just really loud and childish and like immature. There's some depth. Like he already kind of had feels for her. She was the first girl that he felt something for, and like just the touch between the hands was like sensual enough for him. Like he was like getting all sweaty, like, oh my gosh. And then, you know, she starts going for the ear and like the face and the mouth, and like she put his finger in her mouth, and I felt seduced. Imagine what Denji felt. Like, I was like feeling for him. I was like, oh my gosh, she's going for it. And like she almost kissed him, and then she was like, if you do what I say, I will give you anything. Even before Denji could say sex, she was like, yup, anything. I will do anything. That's how much this job is important to her. I don't know if she will care to love Denji like that, because she was like, you're just my dog. You're just working for me. Like, I will love you if you give me what I want. It's a conditioned love, which is weird, but like, you know, you can't help but like bow down to Makima. She's like a goddess to him, and like yeah. Oh, she starts by saying there is this gun devil in America. Has to be America, right? And apparently wherever he lands on, he just blows away thousands to millions of people. Man, Aki's backstory, it was just so simple but so like haunting how quickly his family died. I thought there was gonna be like a physical devil that would take out his brother and parents. Like the gun devil just like whooshed in, and then his whole house was like gone before his very eyes. Like he had to like grow up at that moment. Because when he was young, he just wants his parents' love, but they're all focused on his little brother who's sick. But luckily, little brother likes him, but he's pretty much jealous of his little bro for taking his parents' attention. So he's kind of reluctant to play with his bro, but you know, had a little fun throwing some snowballs, and he tells his brother, go back in, grab some gloves, and bam. The whole thing just before his very eyes. So that's his tragic backstory. And then we got Himeno. Her name's Himeno, right? We just see a little glimpse of her. Apparently she's older than Aki. I thought they'd be like the same age, but I'm guessing maybe she's around the same age as Makima. You know, she comes off a very fun-spirited personality, so I'd never guessed that like she had a dark backstory, like she lost 6 partners, and having to meet Aki for the first time on like a gravesite, it just felt so dark. Yeah, like it's a gloomy weather and it's like a cloudy day, and like the atmosphere is all dark and like gray, and she just says, "You're my 6th partner, don't die." And Aki's still here. I think he said he's been working here for 3 years, but then he's been working with Makima for 3 years. I'm not really sure for Himeno. I assume it's also 3 years. He looked young, but like an older teenager. He could have been 16. I think he looks better with the short hair, but his high ponytail is also unique. Yeah, in the end, I believe there's 7 and 6 of them. Wait, let me see. There's Power, Denji, I hope I don't say the name wrong, Arai, and the new girl, the timid girl. I just got her name, but it just went out my head. And then Aki and Himeno. So there's 6 people here trying to track a fragment of the Gun Devil's bullets. So each of the bullets will have like a reaction to the main body. So the more they find, the bigger the cluster of bullet fragments they find, it will lead them closer to the Gun Devil. Because this guy is like, I'm guessing like the hugest terrorist and possibly the main villain right now. Obviously all the devils are villains, but this guy seems the most wanted at the current moment. And yeah, our goal right now is to gather enough bullet fragments so we could track him. Denji's goal has been shifted from touching boobs to catching and catching, or I think defeating more than capturing, because I don't know if you could capture him. Either one, dead or alive, we need to get the Gun Devil, and once that's done, Makima is going to do it with him. I mean, that's way more tempting than Himeno's like cheek kiss, although she did say like for Denji she could use tongue. And I believe Arai was like, hell no, this is not respectable. Like, I've been working with Himeno for 6 months, and he's like, I'd rather get the peck on the cheek than for you to get the tongue. I like each character has their own distinct personality, and Power-chan is really cute. I see her like super close friends with Denji. Like, you can see their similarities. The others work as a contract with devils, while Power and Denji are more like a devil themselves. So they're more like close together, and I think it's cute when they band together against Aki. And they're both kind of immature and childish, so it's like cute together. Oh yeah, and then when they went in the building, we meet a small devil, which Himeno caught with her ghost devil. Oh my god, I almost said devil fruit powers. I guess I keep thinking of One Piece because the devil, and I'm thinking devil fruit. So sorry. Right now they're kind of stuck on the 8th floor, and they're just going round and round in a circle, and at this moment the timid girl like gets really scared of something. So maybe something popped out, maybe one of the devil got one of our friends. They know how to do a cliffhanger really well. Like, they tease us so hard. The last time we got like he's about to touch it, and this time it's like, what happened? Guess we're gonna have to wait another week. But I think everyone's favorite scene is gonna be at the beginning, where Denji, his great disappointment led to a great satisfaction, and for a new goal that feels much more worthwhile. Because I think everyone was like, you know, insulting his dreams. You want to touch boobs, blah blah blah. But now his dreams feel a bit more stronger. Like, he could tell people, I want to do this for a girl I like, and could possibly, I don't know, does he have a dream where does he just want to smash Makima, or does he want her as waifu? Because I think he wants her as waifu. But first, the smash first. Oh my gosh. I feel so inappropriate for saying all of this. But, you know, Makima is definitely quite a catch, and I see why she is super popular. And because I feel bad, because at the beginning, like at the end of episode 1, episode 2, I was like, oh, shipping them together. Then I found out her age, so I was like, questioning it. And then Power-chan comes along, and I'm like, oh, she's kind of cute, and they kind of get along. But then I see them more as sibling / close friends who are similar to each other. And then now after this, I'm like, oh shoot, that was kind of hot. I ship it. I just didn't want to like say that because it just feels so wrong because of their age. But I guess, you know, isn't Japan's adult age 13? I mean, I think the official adult age is 20, and he's only like 4 away. So maybe by the time he becomes 20 and she's like 30, then it works. I don't know. Like, it's like, I'm not gonna think of the age, okay? I'm just gonna think, oh, it's cute. Like, they're cute together. I'm not gonna think of the age, even though it's like kind of wrong. And that is pretty much it for the reaction. Feel free to let me know what I missed, what you really like about this episode. Feel free to let me know anything. I'll be sure to read the comments, and see you guys for the next reaction. Peace out.